Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin in Skool community course. So first head over to skool.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Now head over to your community and from here head over and switch to members, and from the members page click on the invite button. Here you can share your group link by copying it and send it to the person that you would like to add as an admin. Or you can also manually enter in their email address in this section, then click on send for them to be able to receive an invitation through their email to become a member of your community. Now, once they accepted your invitation and joined the group, you should see them in your members list. Now to change them or add them as an admin, head over and click on membership button. Then in the role section, so they're currently just a member, just click on the change link, then switch them to become an admin. But just a reminder, that feature is only available for the pro subscription. So just by that, they should be added as an admin of your community. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!